A comprehensive look at warthogs. Africa's vast savannas and grasslands are home to the robust and interesting warthog. Warthogs are important to their ecosystems due to their unique appearance, powerful tusks, and exceptional adaptations. We'll explore warthog biology, behavior, habitat, ecological relevance, and fascinating aspects of their life. Warthogs, Phacocheirus africanus, are suids like pigs, boars, and other wild suids. There are two warthog species. 1. Common warthog Phacocheirus africanus. The most common species in sub-Saharan Africa's savannas, grasslands, and woods. 2. Desert warthog Phacocheirus aethiopicus. This smaller, arid-adapted species lives in northern African deserts and semi-deserts. Warthogs are known for their huge tusks, wart-like facial protrusions, bristly manes, and long, waggling tails. Warthogs have many adaptations to survive their harsh habitats. They are well known for their tusks, large canine teeth that protrude from their mouths. Warthogs use their tusks for digging, protection against predators, and mating rituals. The warts on their faces are actually protective cartilage cushions covered in rough skin. When fighting other warthogs or predators, these warts shield and cushion. Their bristly manes, which run from head to tail, insulate and sense touch. Warthogs can smell and hear predators and food sources thanks to their keen senses. Warthogs may thrive in many African settings. They inhabit savannas, grasslands, forests, and semi-arid environments. Warthogs forage for roots, bulbs, and plants in farms and scrublands. From South Africa and Namibia to Ethiopia and Sudan, they are found across Africa. They inhabit a variety of environments but not dense rainforests or deserts. Warthogs eat plants and invertebrates like omnivores. A herbivore, they eat grasses, roots, tubers, bulbs, fruits, and leaves. Warthogs utilize their muscular snouts and tusks to dig up roots and bulbs from the earth, often forming unique pig-rooted areas in the soil. Warthogs dig for water-rich roots and tubers during the dry season. They may also eat soil insects, larvae, and tiny animals. Warthogs live in sounders, or families. The normal sounder has a dominant male, many mature females, and their progeny. Before establishing their own territory, young men may create bachelor groups. In the sounder, the dominant male rules over the females and subordinates. Warthogs use their excellent senses and quick reactions to avoid lions, hyenas, and leopards. Warthogs kneel on their front legs when foraging, a unique behavior. This stance makes it easier to access low-lying vegetation and provides a secure base for snout digging. Warthogs breed year-round. However, peak breeding seasons vary by location and climate. Males tusk and chase rivals during mating rituals. After 5 to 6 months of gestation, female warthogs give birth to 2 to 4 piglets, though larger litters have been documented. Piglets are born in a female-dug burrow or abandoned aardvark burrow. Warthog babies are precocial, meaning they're mobile and mature. Their reddish-brown coat with longitudinal stripes camouflages them in grasslands. The newborn piglets nurse from their mother and are protected from predators in the den for the first few weeks. Warthog piglets, or juveniles, learn survival tactics from their mother and other sounders as they mature. They forage with the group, copying adult warthogs and practicing digging and foraging. Piglets playing together assist sounders develop coordination, strength, and social relationships. Warthogs wean off their mother's milk and start eating solids at 6 to 7 months. The sounder adults safeguard and teach them to understand alarm calls and danger signs. When they attain sexual maturity, approximately 18 to 24 months, young male warthogs may leave the natal group to join bachelor groups or create territories. Tusking and strength displays are used by dominant males to win breeding females. Warthogs communicate by vocalizations, postures, and smells. A typical vocalization is the grunt, which can range from low, rumbling sounds to loud, explosive grunts. Grunts alert the group to threats or keep in touch while foraging. Threatened warthogs make harsh, high-pitched alarm calls. These cries alert other sounders and coordinate a reaction to avoid harm. Warthogs communicate by leaving scent imprints on rocks, trees, and termite mounds. Scent markers reveal identify, reproductive status, and territory borders. Warthogs in African savannas are preyed upon despite their size. Warthogs face the greatest dangers from lions, leopards, cheetahs, hyenas, and African wild dogs. Warthogs are at risk from crocodiles when they drink or cool down near water. Warthogs use their speed, agility, and formidable tusks to defend themselves from predators. They can run 30 miles per hour to escape danger. Warthogs can slash assailants with their sharp tusks if trapped. Warthogs use burrows and dens as well as physical defenses. To avoid predators, they use abandoned aardvark or porcupine tunnels and natural depressions. As ecosystem builders and seed dispersers, warthogs are vital to African savannas. Their rooting and digging for food aerates the soil, enabling grass and other plant development. This helps other herbivores that need nutritious fodder. Warthogs accidentally eat seeds from numerous plants, which they then defecate spread. This seed distribution process ensures plant diversity and regenerates degraded areas. Birds and small mammals may follow warthogs to fresh food sources or disturbed soil. Warthogs are numerous in sub-Saharan Africa, although they suffer several threats. 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Warthog populations are threatened by the conversion of natural habitats into agriculture, cities, and infrastructure. Without proper environment, they lack food, water, and shelter. 2. Human-wildlife conflict. Warthogs can be killed in retaliation for crop raiding and field damage by farmers. Warthog numbers are further threatened by meat and tusk hunting. 3. Poaching and illegal wildlife trade. Warthog tusks are used in traditional remedies and ornaments. Warthog populations are threatened by unlawful poaching despite legal protections. 4. Climate change. Rainfall patterns and rising temperatures can affect warthog food and water availability. Prolonged droughts may drive warthogs to travel farther for resources, making them more vulnerable to predation and weariness. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting warthogs and their habitats include: 1. Establish protected areas. National parks, wildlife reserves, and conservancies offer critical sanctuaries for warthogs and other wildlife. In protected regions, animals can forage, breed, and migrate. 2. Habitat restoration and connectedness. Promoting habitat restoration and wildlife corridors helps sustain warthog populations' connectedness. This allows genetic exchange and species survival. 3. Counterpoaching measures. Increased patrolling, law enforcement, and community engagement are essential to prevent poaching and illegal wildlife trade. Local communities learn about warthog conservation and habitat conservation through public awareness programs. 4. Promoting sustainable agriculture, land management, and ecotourism can reduce human-wildlife conflicts and offer alternative livelihoods for communities near warthog ecosystems. Finally, the warthog represents adaptability and survival amid harsh African savannas. From their unique look to their complex social structures and ecological importance, warthogs help maintain ecosystem balance. Understanding these extraordinary species makes it evident that conserving them is vital to Africa's savanna's health and biodiversity. To maintain warthogs' wild survival, we must support conservation efforts, promote sustainable practices, and create coexistence with local communities. Let's honor the warthog, savanna protectors, and seek to preserve their habitats for future generations. Warthog grunts, rooting in the dirt, and beautiful natural behaviors remind us of the complex tapestry of life in the African environment. Join us in honoring the enduring legacy of warthogs and their pivotal role in shaping the African savannas. Together, let us chart a path towards a future where warthogs and humans coexist harmoniously, safeguarding their habitats and nurturing each other's well-being along the way. Please subscribe, like, and share this message. Take action today to support conservation efforts aimed at protecting warthogs and preserving their natural habitats in your community. Together, we can make a meaningful difference for warthogs and the environment.